Sharon, your host for today. And guess what, guys? Mom Das is having another challenge, a useful DIY challenge. And co hosting with her is the lovely Marie. So, this challenge is Useful DIY Challenge Recycled Glass. So, stick around, guys, while we learn a little about Marie's channel. Marie's channel is all about crafts and DIYs and lots more. She has some farmhouse videos out. She also does challenge and so on. So please do check out Marie's channel. She's Mom Das's co-host for this video. And guys, do subscribe to her channel and make sure and press her notification bell together with Mom Das. If you're coming over from their channels, welcome. And if you're heading over there from my channel, please visit these lovely ladies.
I'm
And
going
let's
to
get
attempt
started,
to
guys.
cut the bottle at a point, and this is a wine bottle. I've already cleaned it. Cleaned it with rubbing alcohol. You can also get your bottles cleaned with vinegar, and I have acetone. I'm going to use this to soak the twine in, and I also have my twine. So I have the twine soaking in the acetone. I'm going to take it out and wrap it to the point where I want to cut it on the bottle. So I'm just going to be wrapping the bottle with the twine where I think I would want it to be cut. I'll straighten all that. Wrap the string around. So I'm just going to light it. And you're supposed to turn it around. Do not leave the bottle cover on, guys. So I'll just turn it around, and when it's almost the flame is almost out, I'm going to submerge it in the water. So you just continue turning it around like that. This is the piece that broke off, and look, it's a bit hot, but look at the edge that I got.
It's very smooth to the touch, guys. Now I've changed the water because I'm doing another one. This is ice cold water. I just have an ice bath inside here. I'm soaking it in acetone again and wrapping it around. This is a square bottle, a drinking bottle, and I'm going to do the same thing. This is a bit thicker, so it will take a little longer. So I've wrapped it with the soaked acetone, lighten it a blaze, and again remember not to have the bottle cover, and turn it around until it's almost outed, and submerge it in the ice cold water. When you hear that click, it's ready, guys. The bottle is here. I've sanded the bottom of it, and I have some tissue wrap from a gift bag, and I'm just crumpling it up to get those lovely crumpled lines on it, to get that crinkle finish. And you can crumple it up as much as you want. And guys, I diluted some white glue, which I'm pasting on the bottle throughout, and then I'm going to paste it around onto the paper. I tuck my ends in and I paste it right through. Now guys, when you're done putting on the final coating, do layer it again with the white glue and let it dry properly. Now your hands are going to have some bleeding, but that washes away. Now guys, these chains that I have here, these we use when we are doing decor, that we hang heavy chandeliers onto the ceilings. And I'm using it today to put into my bottle. This is a S hook. Now I know you noticed the blue bottle layer that I covered already with blue. My grandson just handed me the balance of my chains. So what I'm doing is cutting the chains in pieces, because I can't put a whole chain into the bottle because it's going to just come right through. So what I'm doing is using these larger split rings to stop it. So it acts like a stopper. So it's going to have a chain, a split ring as a stopper, and then the other chain. So I insert my split ring through the hole in the chain, and this is it. So this part acts like the stopper. so it's not going to come through the top of the bottle. And then I'm going to hook the other section onto it, and the other section is what's going to take the sail that will float around at the bottom. So this is it. So the split ring stops it right there, so it's not going to go through. And to the bottom here, I'm going to add another split ring, and this is going to act as the knocker on the bottle. And then I'm going to put a final piece onto it. So this is it, and it knocks against the bottle when the wind blows. But I want a little fancier something. So these are my pieces, and it's 2 bottles. So I'm going to again put it on the second piece, attach my stopper, and attach the other pieces onto it, and insert it into the bottle. Now this is the blue one, and I did put a little bling on the edge of the blue one and to the top of it. So you can decorate your bottle however you choose to. I'm just going to put in the final. So guys, I'm going to share with you how everything looks. I am so loving this little bling piece. It's gorgeous. I just love when the sun hits it, how it glistens. And the stone is kind of heavy, so but I don't mind. So guys, I'm going to share with you where I put these bottles. So please visit Mom Das's channel and Marie's channel. And guys, this is how everything looks. Guys, I did spray the bottle purple because it went better with my decor. This is just in front of my entrance. And look how lovely the bottles look. And I have some plants flanked in the center. This is my orchid. And I hope you enjoy, guys. And do like and subscribe. And do press that notification bell. And like I said, if you're coming over from Mom Das and Marie's channel, welcome guys. And if you're heading over there from my channel, please visit them and like and subscribe to their channels, guys. And this is another one. I did do a bottle design before. You can check that out. It's going to be listed above or below. And guys, thanks for being with me. I'm Theclastyle, Sharon, your host for today. I hope you have enjoyed. And guys, I will see you soon and catch you later, guys. Bye.